Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily trim your video from iPhone. So for doing this you just need to open your gallery and just choose your video. For example, I will choose some video that I already upload to YouTube, and you just click on edit. On the right of the top you will see edit, and after you do it, here you can see two different sides. So you just choose wherever you want to left on from video. So just choose, for example, if I want to trim first 30 seconds, I just scroll first side to 30 seconds and just click done. So now first 30 seconds will delete from video, or for example, if I want you want to delete 30 seconds from end, you just choose from right side and just scroll it to center and just left. So now we delete 30 seconds from start and 30 seconds from end. So after you edit your video, so this is the part of video that we want to left. So just click done, and now you can also save this video. So it means that it will trim your video, and previous version of video will be deleted, and you can't you don't have access to this part. Or you can second variant do save video as new clip. So you just click here and it will save this video like second variant. So for example, if we want to save video as new clip, so you just click here and it will, so you now need to wait, and here you can see that we successfully trim our video. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.